So my name is Tim Whitehead. I'm an associate professor at Michigan State University in the Department of Chemical Engineering and Material Science, as well as affiliate appointments in biosystems and agricultural engineering and biomedical engineering. My research focuses on developing ways to engineer biology. And the way that we do this is exactly how you think. We apply these engineering tools to living cells and biological systems to improve things like pharmaceuticals, food, fuels, and fibers. One of the really advantages of this program is that it allows us to go and get really bright students to go and really look beyond their textbooks that they've looked at so far in undergraduate and apply some of what they've learned to the actual research lab. And so Justin in my lab this past summer is a chemical engineering undergraduate student and worked on biology this summer. And you may think this is completely different, but he applied some of the techniques that he learned in terms of mass balances, energy balances, to apply those to biological systems and really made a strong impact in my lab. So I think for students like Justin, that what this program allows them to do is really allow them to apply their knowledge in to apply to a specific research problem. What this also allows them to do is to try out research, right? You have 10 weeks. It's not a 1 year or 2 year commitment. You have a summer-long intensive program to really understand what research is, how it's done at these leading research institutions like Michigan State, and to see whether that's a good career fit for these. So in Justin's case, for this mentor program, I can say that I'm sure there are some students like Justin, but I can't imagine there are many because he came in day one and he was able to just work. He knew he had a lot to learn, but his work ethic, how you approached research, he knew that already. And that was something that is relatively unique. So he was able to go in and make a concrete impact in my research program in just 10 weeks. And so I was very, very impressed with that. In terms of the growth in my research program, this was a net benefit for me because we were able to get really solid research from his project, and that's due in large part to his contributions as both the grunt work, putting the elbows on the bench work and getting work done, as well as applying his education and asking incisive questions, understanding how to develop assays or experimental procedures, and do that. And that takes a really strong type of knowledge that it's hard to teach. So I can't say that I personally helped him grow, but he learned a lot in terms of practical experience, and I think this was a benefit for both of us. Yeah, so I think from my perspective, there's really two main benefits for this program. There may be more, but off the top of my head, there's two. There's the proximal benefit of you have a really dedicated, smart, and energetic student coming into your lab for 10 weeks, being able to apply that mind to a research problem. You can make headway. In my case, this worked really well this semester, or this summer rather. The other long-term benefit is you introduce some of the best students in the nation to Michigan State University, show the promising research that is there, and hopefully we can recruit some of these talented students to come back and actually do what they've done for 10 weeks and apply that for years to get their PhD. Okay, yeah. So this is going to sound corny, but the tagline of the university is Spartans Will. And so if you have the will to succeed, come in ready to succeed on day one. Say, I want to apply what I've learned in my undergraduate to a pressing research problem. I want to go and do really outstanding, exciting research, exciting science, and I want to be able to interact with really good, smart grad students and mentors to apply what I've learned to that problem. So if you're interested and you're excited about doing that, then you should come here. If you've never been in Michigan in the summertime, 16 hours of sun, right? There's thousands of miles of coastline, and and it's a great place to be in the summer. I'm actually going to the pool right now, outdoor pool, right after this. I got my gym bag, so you can come out and really enjoy the sun. I know that's something you don't think about from Michigan, but you should come out and see for yourself.